Hello and welcome to FedExcel. In today's video, we will be having a look at how to count values, either negative values or positive values in a given data set. So here we have employee salaries with their overtime and bonuses due them. So you could see that at the bonus column, you have a mixture of negative and positive values, where the negative values in this sense indicate some kind of penalties that these employees had, whereas the positive values indicate the actual bonuses that some of the employees gained. So if let's say we want to count the number of employees with negative values, all we need to do is to hit on the equal to sign, then count if, you open your bracket, then you select your range, comma, then you introduce your quotation marks, then you hit on the less than sign, 0, then you close your quotation marks, you close your brackets, then you hit on enter. And these are the number of employees that had negative bonus values. So if let's say we would like to know the number of employees that actually had bonuses, that is to say those with the positive values, all we need to do is to just go in there and change the less than sign to greater than. Then you hit on enter, and here you have the number of employees that qualifies for a bonus. Thank you for joining in today. Please like and share this video. Follow us on all social media platforms. We are FedExcel on all platforms.